If you're experiencing issues with the master password lock on Passbolt, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any stored data that might be causing conflicts with the Passbolt application. Step 3. Restart the application. Close and reopen the Passbolt application or refresh the web page. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Step 4. Update Passbolt. Make sure you are using the latest version of Passbolt. Check for updates and install any available patches that may address the issue. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists, reach out to Passbolt support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the master password lock issue on Passbolt. If you continue to have problems, don't hesitate to seek further help.